Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we give you honest, detailed insights into the most talked about products on the market. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best headlight restoration kit polish cleaner you can buy right now, the 3M Ultra Headlight Restoration Kit. If you're tired of cloudy, yellowed headlights making your car look older and reducing visibility at night, this is the solution you've been waiting for. Inside the box, you'll find everything you need for a professional-grade restoration right at home. That includes a 3.25-inch disc pad holder, 6 500 grit gold sanding discs, 4 800 grit white finishing discs, 1 3000 grit 3M Trizact refining disc, 2 3M quick headlight clear coat wipes, and even masking tape to protect the surrounding paint while you work. That's not just a restoration kit, that's a complete system engineered by 3M, a company with decades of expertise in abrasives and automotive care. Here's the typical problem. Plastic headlight lenses oxidize over time. They get hazy and yellow, which not only looks bad but seriously cuts down on nighttime visibility. The 3M kit tackles this with a step-by-step sanding and polishing process that removes the outer layer of oxidized plastic and restores the lens to a clear finish. The sanding process starts with the coarse 500 grit discs to strip away years of buildup. Then the 800 grit discs refine the surface further. And the magic happens with the 3000 grit Trizact disc. It smooths everything out, prepping the lens for the final protective coating. Now here's the real benefit. 3M's abrasive technology is designed to be aggressive on oxidation but gentle on the lens. You're not melting or buffing blindly. You're methodically restoring the clarity layer by layer. And once your lenses are clean and smooth, you apply the 3M Quick Headlight Clear Coat. This seals the lens and protects it from future UV damage, helping maintain that crystal clear finish for as long as possible. Headlights that look nearly new, without the need for replacements or expensive detailing services. Look at this comparison. On the left, a foggy, yellowed lens. On the right, after using the 3M Ultra Headlight Restoration Kit, clear, bright, and safe for night driving. That's a transformation anyone can do. While this kit can be used with a standard household drill for faster results, there's also a version that doesn't require any power tools at all. Either way, it's easy to use, just follow the clear instructions included in the box. If you're looking for a cost-effective, powerful solution to restore your car's headlights, the 3M Ultra Headlight Restoration Kit checks all the boxes: convenience, performance, and long-term protection. Whether you're prepping your vehicle for sale or just want safer nighttime driving, this kit is a smart investment. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more hands-on reviews, and let us know in the comments what product you want us to cover next. See you in the next one.